Hello and welcome to the first video of a series of how-to videos for both parents and students. This is Mr. Chase. It came to my attention in the first trimester that the math is a lot different from what I personally and the parents have learned in math. So I wanted to provide a means of showing the parents what we're learning so they could help better at home. Now, first of all, I just want to apologize for any of my word fumbling or mumbling. I have to take this video in one fell swoop, so any mistakes I'm just going to keep rolling. To start, we have the first lesson of topic 4, and it's multiplication as repeated addition. What this unit is very good at is building on former concepts. So we're not just going to jump right into multiplication. We're going to use what the students already know, addition, to get them to a firmer understanding of multiplication. And we're going to start that by doing it with a visual means. For example, the first problem says each group below has the same number of squares. There are 5 groups of 4 squares. There are a total of 20 squares. The important words here are groups of 4. We're going to be using that terminology a lot when we're talking about multiplications. Groups of 4, rows of 4 are going to be used interchangeably. It gets away from 5 times 4. What does that mean? Well, it's 5 groups of 4, and you can see that in this model here. Each group is split into 4 separate squares. 1, 2, 3, 4. You can see how they're separated, and there's 5 groups of them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now, a student could go through and individually count each one of these squares and can get the multiplication answer of 5 groups of 4. That's the concept that we're going to try to build here, and it's called repeated addition. So, the student could also write it as a sentence. 4 plus 4 plus 4 plus 4 plus 4 equals 20. So they're doing 5 groups of 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And you can rewrite that as 5 times 4 equals 20, which you would traditionally see. So I'm going to do one more for you. And this one says complete the addition and multiplication sentences. What I want to do first is count how many are in each group. So in this one, it's 1, 2, 3, and 4. Now I need to figure out how many groups I have. 1, 2, 3, 4. So I have 4 groups, 1, 2, 3, 4, with 4 in each. 1, 2, 3, 4. I can rewrite this as a repeated addition sentence. 4 plus 4 plus 4 plus 4, and I could get the answer of 16. I can go through individually. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. Or I could use the repeated addition. 4 plus 4 is 8. Plus 4 more is 12. Plus 4 more is 16. And we're going to be learning all these different ways in the classroom. And so we know 4 times 4, or 4 groups of 4, 4 rows of 4, equals 16. I hope that helps out. Make sure that you're checking out the rest of the videos throughout the unit.